Acura is extending its energetic A-Spec trim to its MDX medium-size hybrid SUV. The 2019 Acura MDX A-Spec toughens the presence of the MDX affability of 20-inch dim-painted wheels, all the more forcefully styled front and back belts, body-hued side ledges, a couple of huge fumes tips, passed-out headlights and taillights, and substantial utilization of dim chrome all through the outside. The lively-looking wrapper is joined by inside overhauls, for example, shop particular measures, pedals, and comfort trim. Also, the MDX A-Spec incorporates red or dark calfskin seats with fake softened cowhide embeds and a thicker guiding wheel edge in respect to the unit in the standard MDX. Tragically, the MDX A-Spec does not have any change to the guts to move down the needed looks, and the model manages with the same 3.5-liter V6 motor that powers the standard MDX. The MDX A-Spec, be that as it may, is without the standard front-wheel drive and rather will be offered just with Acura's torque vectoring all-wheel drive framework, a $2,000 alternative on the general MDX. Acura still can't seem to declare estimating for the 2019 MDX A-Spec, however we anticipate that the model will begin appropriate around $50,000 when it goes at a bargain this late spring.